Tailgate Talk fans, I'm trying to get some grilling done, and I've run into this problem before. My tank went out, and so I switched it out. I had a brand new tank handy, and so put the tank on, got it lit. It's been heating up for a while, and I'm only at 300 degrees. It's just kind of stalled out at 300 degrees. And I've had this problem before, and I can tell you what the problem is. What you need to do is turn everything off like that, and then also down here at the tank you need to turn it off just like that. Okay, then you need to wait for a minute and turn it back on. All right, and then up here we're simply gonna just turn on this eye here and light it. Okay, so I've lit it, and we'll come back in a minute and check it. Okay, so we're back. I had the new tank hooked up, followed the steps, and as you can see, we're getting up to normal temperature now, and I'm getting this thing scorching hot because I'm gonna drop a piece of salmon on here in just a moment. So again, what you want to do, turn off all your knobs, go in here to your tank, turn it off, and then turn it back on, and then light your grill. Now, I'm no scientist, but I think it has something to do with this regulator here, and I think that's a safety precaution that when you unhook and hook a new tank back up, that if you have one of these knobs on or something like that, that's going to trigger whatever that safety mechanism there is, and keep your grill at a real low pressure and keeping it from getting at the temperature you want. So that's the tip on the Weber grill, and it may be plausible that it's the same for other grills as well. So good luck, and I hope that tip helps you. And like, subscribe, hit that bell, all that kind of stuff that helps me. And happy grilling.